What's up, y'all? It's Fans of Houston. I'm here with this new fan. This is a new inbox Moss Tropical Breeze I got from a good friend out here in Houston. It came with this tassel and 4 plain white blades. These fans are also childhood. This fan came with a 4.5 capacitor, but I upped it a little bit because the airflow wasn't too impressive at first. So this fan is childhood. My aunt had one with a schoolhouse light kit without a globe, and it was never off, so I could never tell if the blades were plain or stencil. This fan comes with 2 mounting options. You can use a double claw and you can use a J-hook, and they both come in the same box. This is from what I believe 1985. Uses a trumpet style sliding canopy. And I'm pretty sure this is made by Sheetchan. It was pretty much the same thing as Aircool back in the day. So as you can see, low speed's pretty nice. Not too fast, not too slow. Has a little sway to it. But that's most J-hook fans. As you can see, it's tassel swing. I really love this tassel. So let's go ahead and go to medium. It has a good range of speeds, I won't lie. And this is a speed Koyu fan. This doesn't use capacitor-based speeds. Here goes the Moss Caribbean Breeze next to the Moss Tropical Breeze. So let's go ahead and go to high speed. Really has a wobble going on. I mean, what can you expect from a new inbox fan? And right under it, you get a really nice breeze. I don't know what to compare it to. I haven't used my anemometer. I still don't know how you say that tool name, even though I had it for like months now. I still haven't measured it. But I'd say this is probably in the 7K, 8K range. That's what it feels like. It's blowing really nice air right from under it though. Let me get back here, see if I feel anything. Okay, I still feel something. So this is definitely a pretty good bedroom fan if you needed something for your bedroom. You know, I'd have a nice little window AC with this vintage AC unit paired with it, and your room would be a freezer basically. But yeah, this thing flies, and it is a decent air mover with the new capacitor. I'm just glad it wasn't really a lost cause, because these things are childhood, and I did get a new inbox. So yeah, this thing flies though. This thing is really fast. I'll go ahead and shut it off now. Get a close up of it, I guess. See the motor. It's nothing too crazy because it's just a spinner. It's a really nice fan. I really love how it looks. I'll definitely put this in the house, an older vintage house, especially with this tassel. This is very, very nostalgic. And I'm at 5 minutes, so that's the end of this video. Hope you all enjoyed. Thank you all for watching. Bye.